Ever wondered how animation works? It is some kind of high-tech wizardry. Actually, it's just a bunch of pictures played really fast, like a flipbook. And each of these pictures, we call them frames. A frame is a single image you see on screen. It could be a single drawing or a combination of background and multiple layers. And those layers were called cell layers. It used to be a hand-drawn image on a transparent sheet called celluloid. These three holes at the top are used to hold the layers in place with a peg bar. Since celluloid is transparent, animators can draw each moving character or object on a separate layer. This way, they only need to replace the part that moves instead of redrawing everything. But things changed in the late 90s. Computers came into our life. Studios started switching from cells to paper. Animators would draw on paper, then the drawings would be scanned and colored digitally. Today in Japan, a lot of animators still love to draw on paper, but some were also done digitally. Each drawing is still being called a celu, even when it's not on celluloid anymore. And now, with digital tools, more and more artists from around the world can take part in anime production. If you check the credits, you will see a lot of names from different countries. Now you know what a frame is. So in the next video, we will talk about keyframe. If you are interested, hit subscribe. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you soon.